Hello. So today I want to talk about the Ruger LCP Max. It's not going to be a full review. What I really want to talk about is if they fix the problem that I had and many other people had with this gun. So why don't we talk about the problem first. So when I first initially got this gun, or this pistol, I would be shooting and the slide would not lock back after the last round. So after the last round, it would still go forward, and I would think there would be a round in there, and I would pull a trigger and nothing. I would look, no round. So it would do that with every mag full. So I looked online and it said disassemble the gun and clean it and oil it because it may not be properly oiled. So I did that, went back to the range, and then it would just lock back, but there would still be a round in the magazine. So I would shoot it, and then it would just lock back. I would look and be like, wait, there's still a round in there. So I would continue shooting it till it was empty, and then it would lock back. But every single mag, that would happen. After 3, 4, 5 shots, it would lock back with still ammo in the magazine. So I emailed Ruger and I told them the problem, and they said the problem would be, or it was, the magazine. So they told me to throw away the magazine, and they sent me 2 new ones. And let's see if it solved the problem. So I did put 200 rounds through it, and with the new mags, it worked flawlessly. Now, do I trust it 100% with just 200 rounds? Not completely. I'm gonna have to put maybe a few more 100 rounds through it to see if I do trust it as my everyday carry, and do I trust it with my life. But it looks like initially the problem is fixed. So if you do have problems with the slide not locking back, or locking back when it shouldn't, just get in contact with Ruger and they will help you out.